Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a revised TDS return online. This easy method helps you correct errors in previously filed statements. We will go through the entire process, ensuring you understand each step. Our goal is to make this task straightforward and stress-free for you. Let's get started and simplify your tax compliance. Before you begin, some essential preparations are needed. First, collect all your original and corrected TDS data. Next, confirm you have a valid tax deduction and collection account number, or TAN, and a registered digital signature certificate. Finally, keep all relevant challan details handy. Having these items ready will streamline your filing process significantly. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step online process. Begin by logging into the Traces portal using your valid credentials. Once inside, navigate to the correction section specifically for TDS statements. Here, you will upload your corrected TDS statement file. This file contains all the necessary revisions to your previous submission. Follow the prompts carefully. To finalize your submission, first, thoroughly verify the uploaded statement for any remaining errors. Once confirmed, submit the revised return using your registered digital signature certificate. This ensures authenticity and security. After submission, you can easily track the status of your revised filing on the portal. This completes the process, ensuring your compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.